a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie a gele for wedding guests, and the measurement for this gele is 60-40. That's if you're making use of a short gele. You're going to make 5 to 6 pleats and place in front of the head. If you're making use of a length 90 or 75 inches gele, your measurement should be 50-50. You place on your head, cross to the back. As usual, your shorter hand comes on top while the longer hand goes under. What we are making today is a Ruffles-Pleats gele. When you cross with the shorter hand, ensure the V is at the center and make pleats on that flap. Pleat everything. Just watch carefully. That is it. You proceed to the other flap and you repeat the same process. You pleat everything too and pin down. Anybody can rock this style, but for me I think it's more suitable for wedding guests. So if you have anybody that wants to attend a wedding or a nashribi party, you can tie this for the person. Ensure your pleats are in line and neat. And that's it. That's the other end. Now we proceed to start making the ruffles on that shorter hand. When making your ruffles, don't use all the fabric. Ensure you leave the sharp end open. Just watch, you're going to see the outcome. That is it. Then you proceed to this other part and make pleats all through. When you're done making the pleats, you bend and you pin. Just watch carefully. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. That is it. As you can see, our look is beginning to take form. So ensure you pleat it properly and pin to secure while leaving that other sharp end out. I'm so sorry for the video quality. While making this video, they took the light. Then you proceed to bring this other one closer to the one that you pleated. Ensure while doing that your ruffle is still intact. And take notes,
Your finishing touches is very key for this particular style.
Good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
You pin together and then proceed to cover the back. You can leave it open but ensure that it's neatly done. I hope you like this look. When you try it, please leave a comment in the comment section.
Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Afloat, you grow.
Do not forget to check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Guys, please subscribe if you haven't. It shows that 95% of people that watch my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel. Please guys, I need your support. Thank you. Please take note, when doing this style, don't make use of a very soft Gele material. It should be in between, strong but not very soft. Just so you know, so that you don't have tough time making this.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
And here's our finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.